Welcome to another video, and it's Friday the 10th of January 2025 and we are at -9. Roads are frozen solid, very, very slippy. Pretty quiet this morning, and I'm going to walk to work. Sun's coming up, come with me. Down here at Burns Close, it's a complete winter wonderland scene. It's been a while since we've had a winter or snow that's lasted this long. Beautiful sky. I think most people now are getting a bit fed up of it. It needs to go. Just look at the beautiful woods. Our Boathouse Road should have been closed this week for roadworks, but obviously they haven't started on it. It is completely clear. But look at this. Not a single sign of any traffic or school traffic. Yeah, if you're walking this morning, guys, be really, really careful. Very, very icy. As we walk past where the tornado hit about 5 weeks ago, look at that. You can see the clearing in the woods this morning. Reached Boathouse Road and the avenue. A little bit more traffic this way. Definitely a cold morning. A little update on the church and the tornado. Clearly see the damage now. They've actually removed the tree that's been here for so long. Look at that, what a beautiful scene that is. In the way of the sunlight. What a horrible scene with regards to all the beautiful woods completely gone. So at least the tree's gone. They can start hopefully repairing the church and get it sold. You can see here life as normal with traffic around the school. Pretty busy. Okay, we've reached the Kings, Clough Road. Kids are going to school on this Friday morning. Clough Park, still closed. The pavements here are well worn by the kids, so they are very, very icy. I'll take my time. We're enjoying this walk to Put Lane this morning. And it's been a week of snow, so mainly from Monday through to Friday right now. We've had 5 days of it. We did have a bit at the weekend just prior as well. I'm hoping the sun is going to fully come out today and try and melt a bit of this. Probably doubtful. As you can see, the main roads are fine, but the side roads are a nightmare. All right, we're reaching about the half-point way for this walk today. You can see my breath, it's that cold this morning. So yeah, let's hope. I think next week's going to be a little bit warmer, so we should get rid of the snow. Let me know in the comments what you think about the snow. It's very pretty once it arrives, but you've got to bear in mind the problems it causes. And the main thing that a lot of people don't realise, it isolates a lot of people in the homes. Check out the snowman there. How cool is that? So as you can see, the sun still hasn't really risen above any of the clouds at the moment. And up to Woodshut Street. As you can see, that child nearly slipped there. You're driving up there, definitely a nightmare. Last few days, I've just left the car in. It's just not worth bringing out. Somebody hits you, it's going to cost a fortune on insurance, potentially for both of us. So I've been using Uber, and Uber's been about £6 a journey. But this morning, try and get an Uber, they're asking for about £11 to £17 just one journey, and it's about 20-30 minute wait. So no Ubers today, we're walking. Or at least I can bring a video to you guys with a continuation of the snow. And the snow on this grass is still quite deep, probably up to about 3 inches. Try and get in your cars this morning. Completely frozen solid. Wow, just check out that sunrise. Fabulous. Okay, we're going to attempt to cross the road here. Just look at the sun shining in that window of that house there. Right, made it across the road. You've got the 39 bus coming out there. Heading to Hanley. There we go, the bus off to Hanley. Morning shoppers. And we're coming up to the school here on the corner. We have reached Butt Lane. Hope you've enjoyed the video today, guys. It's only a short one. But if you have, of course, give me a thumbs up. Drop me some comments. And please subscribe to the channel. See you on the next video real soon.